Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers, the movie studio series, Sludge. I can't keep track of all the names, but here is the leader class Sludge with the NONNEF Productions upgrade kit already installed. And I mentioned in a previous video that to make the shipping worth it, when I ordered the Windblade upgrade kit, I also went ahead and ordered the Sludge upgrade kit, and both figures are definitely better for it. And basically the kit replaces the feet, which is hollow, but now can actually fold in dyno mode, and that cleans it up so good. This is a leader class figure. Leader class figures used to be $40. Now they are $55. They keep talking about how different price points, and you can do a hinge to fold this up. You can still keep it hollow, but add a hinge to make this possible. Whatever. This upgrade set is so good. It's awesome. There's another upgrade that looks cool, but I'm not interested in, and it was to give it a full neck articulation. As cool as that is, it does change the look of the figure, because it now it looks like his neck is purely cylindrical as opposed to having this shape. If they had been able to keep this curved shape, I would have ordered it, but it just looks like a sausage. I think that upgrade set would have been good if I ever wanted to do that. Paddles, get another Sludge, I think it was, and then get the same upgrade set plus the neck one, and then I have a completely different Dinobot, but I'm not interested in that. But what we have here is very cool. So here he is in his dyno mode, and here he is in his robot mode. And really this upgrade kit is for the dyno mode, because the robot mode looks exactly the same. Here's the upgraded feet. So basically you do have to assemble it yourself. I kind of want to take it apart and glue the pieces together and make them flush. Maybe sand them down and make it look like it's two solid pieces, but I don't know. That's nitpicky, because right now it's doing its job. So yeah, what it's supposed to do is it just does that. None of the normal articulations are hindered. So yeah, this is an awesome upgrade kit. I saw there's another one that does a similar thing, except the feet kind of slides in on itself. Something similar to that. And then there's a piece that unfolds to cover up the entire belly, which looks cool. That set also has fillers. I like fillers. I kind of wish NONNEF did more of that, and DNA Designs. I don't remember who did that set, but to me, the reason I didn't buy it, it's 3D printed. I really don't like 3D printed upgrade sets. 3D printed anything, they just don't look good. It has those lines, and I understand that it also comes down to the material. You know, I also realize that we're probably in the early stages of 3D printed technology, and it's only going to get better. I'll wait until it gets better. Right now, I don't think they look good. They're ugly. You know, if that, you know, makes you happy, you know, if it does something to your figures that, you know, fills in a void, cool. I don't like it, so I'll pass on those. This set also includes the screw hole fillers. Now, I would prefer gap fillers in the hollow sections. Screw holes don't bother me, you know. Yes, it cleans up the figure, but I don't know, I don't want to risk filling in that gap, and then if I ever need to take the figure apart, now I can't. So it's not worth the risk. I saw someone reviewing this set, put them in there, and then I think it was for, no, it wasn't this set, it was for Grimlock. Not only did the screw hole covers did not match the gray, so that looks ugly. You replaced a hole with a piece of plastic that doesn't match. The yellow part also didn't match, but was also small, so he decided to just glue it in there. Yeah, I hope he doesn't break the figure, or it requires him to take it apart, because now he just screwed himself. It also comes with these little pieces. I wasn't sure what they were for, but they're used to tighten the knee joints. So you have to unscrew it, take it apart, insert these in the gap that's in there. And I did that, and I forgot I had already done that years ago, or not years ago, but a while back. And I didn't use plastic, I used rubber bands. I wanted to give it a little give, so I used a rubber band that I shoved in there, and that tightened up the joint, because I didn't want the teeth to get chewed up every time I bend the knee, because it's too hard. So I wanted to give a little bit give. And it also gives you this piece here, I guess, to extend his gun, which looks nicer. It also gives you another gun, which I try to make it flush, but no, it's not. So I might have to take this apart again. I already glued it though. See, I glued it, and now I have an issue. So I'll probably have to break it from the inside, make it flush, then glue it again, because I want the gun to look like one solid piece as opposed to one or two pieces with a seam down the middle. And then I'll have to see which gun is more accurate, because I'd like this, and this is cool, but I might give this to a different character. And it comes with a sword. Again, you have to assemble it, 3 pieces. You have an option of an all red sword, or this one here. I would have gone with all red, but the handle is red too, and I don't like how that looks, so I went with this two-tone. nice orange piece with this here. So yeah, since he already has a gun, give him his sword here. So yeah, there's Sludge. With his new weapons. Yeah, this is awesome. Yes, this upgrade kit again is mostly for the Dino mode. The robot mode looks great. I mean, there's some details that are different. I'm not worried about that. This makes it more solid. Yeah, so I really like this set. I don't need these, but I also don't want to get rid of them, so this will go in a baggie. All these will go in a baggie. And oh, they have swords, they can duel each other. Oh, that's Brienne of Tarth versus, what's her face? I already forgot her name. The little Stark girl. So there are my two NONNEF Productions upgrade sets for Windblade and Sludge. Both great. I'm really becoming a fan of NONNEF Productions. Again, I don't know what this is for. Not pictured here is my Earthrise Optimus. That's in my other room. It's a mess in there. And it looks like I missed out on some other cool upgrade sets that are no longer in production. But I'm going to keep a lookout for anything new that they do that can improve figures. And I love that they're not pricey. You know, I just saw that they had feet for the Combiner Wars combiners, and that's all they are, feet, not feet that transform into weapons for each individual robots. No, I just wanted feet, and I didn't know they were doing this. It would have been awesome to get them because it was a lot cheaper from what I saw. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep a lookout for future NONNEF Productions upgrades. But there they are again, Windblade and Sludge. Thanks for watching.